All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Hey beautifuls, we are doing a new energy exercise video, and in this video we're going to show, she's going to pick some items, put it in her personal biosphere, and let her body tell us if it is good for her, if the body wants it, or if the body doesn't want it, right? It's also an indication of if you take this, it's going to make you weaker, or if you take it, it'll make you stronger. So we're going to start with testing her energy right now. Okay, so it's 2 fingers, very, very strong. All right, so now let's pick something. We're going to start with kombucha. So you're going to put that into your, right, because right now she's creating a circuit, right? Same 2 fingers. It actually is making her, it's not making her fully weak, but weaker than she was before. So that doesn't really make her stronger. Let's try this. This is a green smoothie. Let's see. Oh, it's got a lot of sugar in it. So the body says absolutely no. Let's try some standardized ramen noodles. Let's see what happens.
I'm hungry.
Ready? Now, interestingly enough, her body is saying the noodles are better than the smoothie. You probably have to check the ingredients. Everybody's body is going to be different.
I need salt.
And she needs some sodium.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try cacao powder. It's organic cacao powder. And she's extremely strong. Right? So the body is like, that I need. Let's try, this is heavy. It's full. Almond milk. Ready? That kept her strong. Stronger than kombucha, stronger than the green smoothie from the store. We don't have a homemade smoothie, but let's do this. This is trace mineral drops that we put in our water. So this is not something that she needs right now. We've got organic superfoods with probiotics. Let's check that. Oh. Super strong.
All right.
All right. And one last thing. This is a vodka seltzer. Let's see what the body says about this. It made her weak, but not as weak as the green smoothie. I don't know. Maybe the moral of the story is drink liquor instead of smoothies. I don't know. But the point is, your body knows.
Too much sugar.
Right.
There's not
knows.
as much sugar in this, and the calories are lower. So
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to keep going, and then I'll explain a little bit later. This is just spring water. It has a custom label on it.
Oh, fuck. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, am I still good? Because that was weird.
She's still strong. So this water is not what she needs right now. It's just not what she needs. You can't deny what makes you weak and what makes you strong. So this is organic cane sugar. Okay, your body is saying this is better for you than that water in this moment. Let's just try an apple. Apple made her really strong, as we suspected. And an orange, super strong. So, okay, your body knows. And even if it doesn't make sense to you now, if you start to calibrate and use a body calibration system, you'll be able to tell what you should eat, how many of the vitamins you should try. Let's do some, this is melatonin. I want to see what your body says about this real quick. Yeah, she could use this because she probably needs to sleep. We're going to do this real quick, right? I'm going to give her, I've got a bunch of them in the cap. Now hold it, because now we want to know, how many does she need? Definitely not that many.
It goes me
Okay?
off every time.
So I'm going to give her 3. And we're going to see if it's still making her weak. So I'm going to take 2 away.
I have 1.
And there's only 1 in the cap now. And the body is like, yes. So guess who's getting the melatonin tonight? Okay, Love you. Bye.